Hey guys, and welcome back to another Kaspa video. Before we dive in, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, of course. So we really had a nice pump for Kaspa and the crypto market in general, of course. So if we take a look at 7 days, we are up over 35% on Kaspa, so that is really great. We're sitting at a $3.1 billion market cap, currently on spot 31. The volume is around 56 million, so it's also great. So the fear and greed index is sitting on 66, so there is a possibility that we're going to see some cooling off in the crypto space in general, but that is normal after such pump like this. But it's looking really good, so that is really great. So let's dive into some technical. If we take a look at Bitcoin, of course Bitcoin was leading the way because Bitcoin is king, and that's why it's so great to think about the fact that Bitcoin will reach $100,000, $200,000, and I believe we're going to reach $1 million and beyond that in the coming cycles. And all the good fundamental projects like Kaspa, they will follow Bitcoin. So this is the greatest possibility in your, the greatest, how do you say that? The greatest opportunity, sorry, in your life to generate lots and lots of wealth. So that's really amazing if you think about that. So currently, what can we expect for Bitcoin? We are in a sort of double top formation. But if you can see, yesterday we broke through the resistance level around 47k, and today we are retesting this support level. So for now we are retesting it in a successful manner. We have to wait and see if we can hold this level before we go further up. If we are going up, I would expect that we're going to reach around the $58,000 level for Bitcoin. If we're not going to hold this support level for today and we can't retest it successfully, it is a possibility that we're going to retest this area around 44k. And if that is happening, of course, there is a high probability that the altcoins will show a sell-off as well. But if we do, I don't think that is a problem in the long term. But it is a possibility, so you know. If we take a look at Kaspa, we saw a really big pump. It's insane. I'm always thinking about some people over here. They didn't want to buy over here, but they bought this candle. So basically that kind of people are buying green candles. They don't know what they're holding. So if we're going to see a sell-off, those people will sell with a loss because they don't have conviction in their holdings. And if that is you, it's all right. I mean, everyone has to learn how to act in this kind of markets. But it is the beautiful thing about crypto. The hype is gone, and then in an instant, boom, the hype is there, and that is great. Of course, this just played out almost as I predicted. Falling wedge pattern, it broke out. Really great. I think we're going to retest the all-time highs in the coming days and weeks, and I think we're going to flip this resistance level into a support, and I will expect it to be a really strong support after that because it was a hard resistance to break in the first place, and I can see it as a possibility that we're going to reach 20 cents and beyond in the coming weeks. Of course, we're going to see a sell-off like this. Correction is a better term, and I think there's a possibility that 15 cents would be the bottom in that sense. And if we're around there will be people saying, I wait till 10 cents, I'm going to buy at 10 cents, but it will never happen because this will be a really strong support level by then. So that is what I believe. If we get, of course, fundamental good news in the sense of the T1 listings, we will go higher than 20 cents in my opinion. But for now, it's looking great. It is a possibility in the short term, if Bitcoin has some cooling off to do, that we're going to retest this area around 12 cents. It's nothing wrong with it. It would be a healthy thing, in my opinion. So be aware of that. Don't FOMO in right now, in my opinion. Always DCA. I hoped you also DCA'd last week because you had some great buy opportunities. So that is my my thoughts on Kaspa right now. If we take a look at some metrics, the hash rate is almost is around 176 petahashes. So it's up like 10 petahashes over last week. So it's really good. And the top addresses. There was one address that I found was how do you say that? Interesting, and that was the address what is ranked at spot number 158. They have 14 million Kaspa, and they gained actually 40 million. So that is yeah, that is pretty pretty significant in my opinion. Yeah, so that is what I wanted to share with you. All right. Later today, I will host a private live stream for the Patreon members. I will talk about some educational topics like strategy, goal setting, how to build up your portfolio, and so on. I will do market update and Q&A. So if you want to join a quality group of investors or investors who want to become a really serious one, then I want to invite you to join. The goal is to build a quality community where we help each other out. And so if you want to be part of this kind of community, you're welcome to join, of course. All right, guys, I want to wish you a really nice weekend. Enjoy your free time, enjoy your family and your loved ones, enjoy the nature, and we talk soon. Crypto T out.